So today we will discuss some basic property of real number. Those things we always use from school level. See, in school we have asked like x into 5 2 equal to 2. Then what is the value of x? And similarly x plus 5 equal to 5. What is the value of x? And then 9 into x equal to 0. What is the value of x? So then what we do, we use any number is multiply with 1, then we will get the value, get the same value. And if we add 0 with any number, then we will get the same number. And multiplication with 0 will always 0. So how we get this? So we don't know about those things from school level. So these are from very basic property of real number. Let's discuss it. So these are the property for addition, and these are the binary operation. So a plus b equal to b plus a. So this is commutative law where ab belongs to r, and similarly a plus b plus c is a plus b plus c. So this is associative. Then existence of a zero element, like 0 from R, then if you add 0 plus a, then you will definitely get the same number. So the existence of 0 for all elements a belongs to R. Similarly, the property for each a in R, there existent element minus a in R such that a plus minus of a equal to 0. So this is the property existence of negative element. So if you get any number in R, then you will get a negative number of that number, and if you add both, then you will definitely get 0. So these are for addition, and similarly for multiplication. So a dot b is b dot a. So if you multiply any two number a into b, then you will get the same answer for b into a. For this is again commutative law for multiplication, and b plus b dot a dot b dot c equal to a dot b dot c. So this is associative law for multiplication. And for here there exists a 1. So 1 into a equal to a, and a into 1 equal to a. So existence of this is unit element. So in R definitely 1 exists. So 1 into a equal to a for all a, and similarly a into 1 equal to a. And for each a in R, there existed element 1 by a. So this is nothing but inverse element. So there exists a element 1 by a such that a into 1 by a equal to 1. So this is nothing but the existence of inverse element in multiplication. So these are 8 basic property in real number. And another one, like c into a plus b is c dot a plus c dot b, or and a plus b dot c equal to a dot c plus b dot c. So this property is known as distributive property with respect to addition and multiplication. These are the 9 property of real number from which we can easily prove some interesting thing. Let's see. So first, if z plus a equal to a, then z equal to 0. If z into a equal to a, then z equal to 1. And again, if a belongs to R, then a into 0 equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, or it can be 0, just it will not affect, because 0 into 0 equal to 0. So how to prove these three properties? So these are very simple. See, for first one, see, for the first one, see, we can write z equal to z plus 0. Now, what is 0? Z plus a plus minus of a, because from property of real number, so for every a we have a negative of a, such that a plus minus of a equal to 0. So from here we can write 0 as a plus minus of a. Now again, they given if z plus a equal to a, so z plus a equal to a, and this is a, so a plus minus of a. So again, from that property, this is equal to 0, so z is equal to 0. So this is very simple. And similarly for this, see, you can write z equal to z into 1. So for 1 we can definitely write a dot 1 by a. So this property is nothing but existence of inverse of an element. So this is the inverse of a, so we know a into 1 by a equal to 1. So again, from here they already given z dot a equal to a, so z into a equal to a into 1 by a, so this is equal to 1. So from that property, so again z equal to 1, so this is again simple. So for the third property, we will use the distributive property of addition and multiplication. See, we can take as a into a dot 0. If we can prove this is equal to a, then definitely this will become 0, because from a, z plus a equal to, if a, then z equal to 0. Here z is a into 0. So see how we will prove this is equal to a. So a plus a dot 0 equal to a into 1 plus a into 0, because we can write a as a into 1 from existence of unit element. So a into 1 is definitely 1. So if we use here distributive property, we will take common a, then it will become 1 plus 0. So this is nothing but the distributive property, because we already use a dot b plus c equal to ab plus ac. This is the distributive property. So from here a into 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. So a into 1. So this is a. So we will get a plus a dot 0 equal to a. So from property a, so this is nothing but now a dot 0 equal to 0. So this is the proof of the third statement. So this is the solution. So thank you.